guys, it's Ashira and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a smoky purple and pink halo eye effect. Look so much. It is so cute. I'm really proud of myself. And if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. The Beat. I was watching her video called Fall Halo Eyeshadow Tutorial, and I really love it. I recreated the look, and I love it so much, and I want to show y'all how I did it, because I did a little bit different than her. Not too different, but of course I put my own little spin on it. This palette, the Tarte Toasted palette, I'm going to recreate it, and I can't really see myself because I'm all the way down here, so I'm going to be using only this mirror. I'm really proud of myself for this look. Yeah, so what I'm first going to do, I'm just going to take some tape. Then the thing was about here. This is very uncomfortable, but it's okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Maybelline New York concealer in shade 55 Hazelnut. I'm going to grab an Ipsy Glam bag brush and my Blend Beauty L34. Put my concealer all over my eye. Blend with my finger. I'm still getting into the makeup vibe. I love doing makeup. I love watching videos about makeup. I was going to be a cosmetologist ever since I was a kid. And so now I'm definitely getting into the makeup field. I actually have a makeup account on Instagram. It's called Ramani Makeup. It's RAMANI_makeup. My NYX Happy Birthday palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is from the Ulta Happy Birthday gift or free Happy Birthday gift, and I think you can't get this anymore because it's only you get a different gift every year. I think this year is a mascara, a Clinique mascara, but simple size. So I'm like, but I'm just going to be putting this shade just to set the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be taking this really pretty orange color right here. I'm going to be using the same brush. Transition, I mean. I'm putting it right in the crease. And see, with this color, I think it's the brushes I'm using. This barely shows up on me, and it showed up on the girl, but literally she's darker than me, almost a little bit, or we're the same shade, or or she's the tiniest bit lighter. I don't know. She's around my shade. And it showed up on her. I think it's because of the concealer she used was a lot lighter, and mine kind of blends in. But I'm just doing it. I have to dip in. I'm dipping into this a lot. It's kind of like an orange. Tarte Toasted palette. I'm going to be using the shade Warmth because it's an orangey type shade. Shade is so pretty. And just going in for my transition shade. Brighten that orange up. I'm definitely concentrating the orange more on the outside and the middle of my eye, but a lot more in the middle for the transition part. Now what I'm going to take, I'm going to go back in with my NYX Happy Birthday palette, and it's like a plumish type shade. And I'm just going to take this, there's no name on this brush. I don't remember where I got it from. But now I'm just going to go on my crease and on the inside. So I'm going to start on the inside. And I'm going to go higher, a little bit higher than my crease. I mean, it's kind of purple on me, but I don't know. This pretty purpley shade right here. Same brush. And just darken that up a little bit. I'm really proud of myself for what I did on this. I'm probably not going to look the same, knowing me, but it's okay. At least I know I tried hard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here. I hit pan. I used to use this shade every single day before I got the Tartelette Toasted palette. And the Tartelette Toasted palette, it's like equivalent to the shade Flame. But I feel like the NYX Happy Birthday palette is more of a pinky shade, and Flame is more of like a burnt orange shade. I really don't know how to show you without making all my makeup fall out. But I'm going to be taking this Glam Beauty brush, and I'm going to be going in with this pink shade that I've hit pan on. The shade is so pretty. I'm not going to go with a lot, but a good amount. I'm going to be taking the Super Slim Liquid Liner by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to create a simple wing, as it is on this eye, with the tape. I did really good with that eye. I was really impressed with myself. It's not going to be the same. I know that for sure, because this is my left eye, and I'm not good, because I'm like twisting my hand backwards. Could you not text me right now? Thank you. Just do a very thin line. When I get to this part, just gonna draw up a very slim line. I'm gonna bring that down. Done with the eyeliner for now. Just gonna rip this off my face. This is what I don't like. Yeah, that winged eyeliner did not turn out the best. Ouch. And now our face is like peeled off. So guys, here is the look for the eyes. So I'm also going to take another Glam Beauty brush. I have beat this brush up with concealer in every single type of shade. But we're going in with this shade right there. And just going on our inner corner. Now we're going to take this purpley shade again that we used. And I'm just going to go for the waterline. Here's this side. The eyeliner is not very good on this side. I'm still working on my eyeliner wing skills. But here this is. I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. And a Flutter mascara lashes thing. Yeah. It's really easy to get on the sometimes in the inner of your eyelash. Oh my gosh, this whole time we've been at a weird angle. I'm going to be taking my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, another Glam Beauty brush, it's coming, because like this, it doesn't even do coverage, but it gets like a lot, and it just kind of brightens you up like too much. Really like. I'm going in with another Glam Beauty brush. So here is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and comment down below what you want me to do next. Maybe you want some more makeup videos. If so, what kind, what type? Just hit me up and, let's talk in the comments, So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm sitting...